The OBDLink X FORScan OBD adapter stands out as one of the most reliable and purpose-built diagnostic tools for Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda vehicles. Designed specifically for use with FORScan software, it delivers a stable and fast connection through USB, making it a preferred choice for users who need accurate and deep-level vehicle diagnostics beyond standard OBD2 scanners. Unlike many generic Bluetooth adapters, this device focuses on consistency and full system access. It supports advanced protocols including HSCAN and MSCAN without requiring manual switches, allowing smooth switching between networks during diagnostics. This makes it especially useful for tasks like module configuration, ABS bleeding, service resets, and hidden feature activation, which are often unavailable on basic scanners. One of the biggest advantages of the OBDLink X is its USB connection, which provides a direct and uninterrupted data stream between your laptop and the vehicle. This wired setup significantly reduces latency and connection drops that are common with wireless tools. As a result, it ensures safer and more reliable performance during sensitive operations, such as programming and module-level diagnostics, where stability is critical. The build quality is solid and professional, featuring a durable cable and compact adapter design that is well-suited for both workshop and home garage use. It integrates seamlessly with FORScan software on Windows, offering an intuitive yet powerful interface for reading codes, performing tests, and accessing advanced vehicle data. Even users who are new to diagnostics can quickly adapt while still having access to advanced-level features when needed. Overall, the OBDLink X FORScan OBD adapter is a highly dependable diagnostic solution that brings advanced vehicle communication and coding capabilities into a simple USB interface. It is especially valuable for Ford platform users who want dealership-level control, stability, and in-depth system access without relying on expensive service tools or subscriptions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.